Our entire day gets ruined if there's a power failure. We feel incomplete without the appliances that we use every day. And what do they work on? Yes, today most of the appliances that ease our lives use electricity. Life without these comforting gadgets seems so difficult. So can we say that electricity is an integral part of our lives? Absolutely. But can you tell me what exactly electricity is? Let us try understanding it using simple language. Electricity is simply a type of energy that can either build up in one place or can flow from one place to another. When electricity gathers at one place, it's called as static electricity. And when it moves between 2 points, it's called as dynamic electricity. We are more interested in understanding dynamic electricity as it helps us switch on the appliances in our homes. We know from our earlier classes that copper is a good conductor of electricity. Here we have an insulated copper wire connected to the electric cell. In this case, there is a flow of electricity in the copper wire. But how can we prove that? Well, if we connect a bulb in the circuit, then it will glow. This proves that electricity is flowing in the circuit. We don't really use the word electricity, we say electric current instead. The word current means the flow of something in a particular direction. Here, electric current flows from the positive terminal of the cell to its negative terminal. Don't forget that this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. We say that an electric current is flowing through the wire. But is copper the only material that conducts electricity? Can a liquid conduct electricity? Can you think of any liquid which conducts electricity? When you touch the switchboard to switch on or switch off the light, nothing happens to you. That means the switchboard does not allow the flow of current to reach you. But what will happen if you touch the switchboard with wet hands? You will probably not understand what happened with your body for the next couple of minutes. Yes, you will encounter a dreadful shock. But why does this happen? The switchboard is the same, right? It happens because of the water on your hand. Does that mean that the water allowed electric current to pass through it? Absolutely. This helps us understand that for studying the flow of electric current, substances are classified into 2 types. The ones that do not allow flow of current at all or allow very little current to flow through them are called poor conductors of electricity. One example of this is the plastic material of the switchboard. On the other hand, examples like water which readily allow the flow of current are called conductors. Silver, copper, etc. are some of the other examples of good conductors. Is the human body a good conductor of electricity? Yes, our own human body is susceptible to electric shock. That means our body is a good conductor of electricity. Also, the most common example of good conductor in liquids is what we discussed a little earlier: water. Wait a second. Do other liquids also allow the flow of current through them? Are there any other liquids which are also good conductors of electricity just like water? Let's find the answers to these questions in the upcoming videos.